In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the message that says restricted mode has hidden comments for this video. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please leave a like. Now, let's get into this guide. First, go to your YouTube account settings. Make sure you're logged into the account where you're experiencing the issue sometimes. Next, navigate to your videos, or simply open the specific video where the comments are hidden. Once the video opens, scroll down and tap the comment section. This helps us confirm whether the comment section is disabled or hidden due to settings. If the comment section is disabled, you'll need to enable it to do that. Click the editing options for that video and make sure comments are turned on. A lot of people forget this part, and it causes confusion, so make sure it's activated. After you've checked that, press the back button and return to the main YouTube settings page. To navigate to the settings section, now scroll down until you see the general settings, where settings changes are made. Inside the general menu, you will find an option labeled Restricted Mode. Restricted Mode is designed to filter out potentially mature content, but it can also hide comments, sometimes even on normal videos. Go ahead and click on Restricted Mode and deactivate it. If it's already off, toggle it on and off again to refresh the setting. This helps reset YouTube's filters. Now press the back button again and return to the video you were watching. To check if the comments are still hidden, open the comments section one more time, and you should now be able to see all comments fully visible without any restrictions. Try tapping inside the comment box. You will see that you can now read comments and also post your own without any issues. And the comments can be seen now. And that's it. That's exactly how you fix the problem where YouTube says restricted mode has hidden comments for this video. If this guide helped you, consider subscribing for more helpful tech tutorials. And leave a like so more people can find this solution. Your support really helps the channel grow, and I truly appreciate every one of you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.